Hey everyone, and this is the 7th video in our playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property of float. Okay, so we will see what float is and what it can do. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. Alright, so before exploring float, let me just create some tags. Alright, and inside this I will write first, and similarly inside this I will write second and third, and let me just give it a different tags. Okay, so let me just give it div, and this one I will give it a main. Okay, now let's take a look. As you can see here, we have our 3 tags. Okay, let me zoom a little bit so you can see. Okay, all right, now let's see what float can do. Okay, so I will just target the p tag, and inside this I will write float. Okay, a float is a simple property. Okay, nothing advanced here, and you can see here right and left. Okay, and none. So if I will choose right and let's save it, you can see here the first is shifted to the right, and you can see all the other ones take place in the take the place of the first. Okay, so there is no gap here. The second has taken the place of first, and the third has taken the place of second. Okay, and let me just show you one more example. If I will just do the exact same thing with div. Okay, div is the second one. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Alright, so as you can see here, the second one is shifted to the right, and the third one has taken the place of the second. Okay, so you can see in this float property, whenever something is shifted towards left or right, all the items below it, okay, because the third is below the second, it take the place of this one. Okay, whichever has been float right or left. Okay, so this is how it works. And let's say p right. Okay, p is floated to right, and also main is floated towards right. Okay, all right, so let's see here, and as you can see here, the first and third are now in right, and as you can see here, the second is all the way up. Okay, it has taken the place of the first one. Okay, so this is how it works. All right, and if I'll just write here left, it will just shift it to its original position, which is left. And if you want to cancel a float, you can also write none. Okay, a few more properties here, like this inline and inline start, but you will mainly use this left and right one. All right, so yeah, this is how you can shift your elements towards right or left. Okay, depending upon situation, you can use this property very well. All right, so that's it in this video, guys. I will see you in the next.